What is an enzyme pathway? Otherwise known as metabolic pathways, enzyme pathways are a series of linked reactions between enzymes. And we see these all the time throughout biology. Enzyme pathways occur when the product of one enzymatic reaction is the substrate for the next enzyme in line. The diagram that you're seeing right here is called glycolysis. This is the first step within cellular respiration. You can see this list of enzymes in the pathway of glycolysis. The first being hexokinase, which changes glucose into glucose 6-phosphate. In this reaction, glucose is the substrate while glucose 6-phosphate is the product. The next enzyme in this pathway is known as phosphoglucose isomerase. It takes the product of the last reaction and uses it as a substrate for its reaction, and changes the glucose 6-phosphate into fructose 6-phosphate. As you can see, as we travel down this list, each product of the previous reaction is the next enzyme substrate. Enzyme cycles are very similar to enzyme pathways, however, there's no set beginning and end point. The Krebs cycle is a great example of an enzymatic cycle. Each one of these molecules is going to act like a substrate in the reaction, and the product that it forms is going to become the next substrate. Like there aren't circles of enzymes in your mitochondria that are going around and round and round and round with these molecules. We just show them in this pathway because it's easier for us to understand. So again, you can see our enzyme pathway and enzyme cycle.